today. So in this course, we are gonna be discussing complete DevOps, complete AWS will be covered. Complete DevOps, complete AWS will be covered. So that's what we're calling as what DevOps with AWS. So around 2 months, AWS we are gonna be spending 2.5 months. We're gonna be spending DevOps. Okay. So let us understand in AWS. So what is exactly the roadmap? Let us try to understand, guys, please. So this will be, so we are gonna be covering Linux basics will be covered, and shell script basics will be covered, and complete AWS, complete DevOps will be covered. So under AWS, which are all the models will be covered? EC2, EC2, S3, IIM, VPC, RDS, CloudFormation, CLI, CF. So, and a lot of things. So, which we are going to be discussing in AWS. In DevOps, we are covering, and which are all the tools we covering, please, for implementing our DevOps process. We are going to be learning Git, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube, Ansible, Chef, Chef, yeah. So Chef, Ansible, Chef. Then so which we are gonna be discussing about Docker, Kubernetes, Nagios, ELK, and background also, and Terraform. So these are all the tools which we are gonna be learning for implementing our DevOps. So this is in exactly our roadmap. So these are all the things. But let us overview of this today. Course overview, what is we are gonna be. Yeah. So total duration of this around 4.5 months. The total duration is what? 4.5 months. 4.5 months. So in this 4.5 months, the complete DevOps, complete AWS, and Linux basics and shells will be covered as we discussed already this, but no programming, Java, .NET is not required. And you require a laptop with these configurations. So you required a laptop, maybe Windows 10 Pro, 4 GB RAM for i3 process. It is a minimum. If it is more than this, also very good. Excellent. More than this also very good. Okay. But so every day we conducting 1 hour class, but in every day we are gonna be discussing theoretical. Then what we have discussed theoretically, the same thing which we are gonna be implementing practically in front of you, that you need to practice in your laptop. Okay. But freshers also can join in this course. experience also like a developer, tester, Linux administrator. These are all things. Anybody, yeah, anybody can join, but that minimum graduation is any graduate, any graduate. That education is any graduate can also join this course. Daily class recording after the payment via Google Drive. We can able to access resume preparation, interview question and answers, 4 live real-time projects. I'm gonna be covering with 80% of soft materials. I'm gonna be covering with our course starts with very basic level, finish with what? An advanced level. Finish with what? An advanced level. Each and every class is a practical implemented in front of you that you need to practice in your laptop. So after course completion, you will receive one certificate from our institute. Daily 1 hour class. The classes are Monday to Saturday. So you're going to be paying 12,000 rupees for complete DevOps with complete AWS for daily recordings. So this is our admin number. Talk to admin. So for recording admins, recordings and pieces or whatever, maybe you can WhatsApp also. So 9297 this is our admin number. So this is our course content link. If you double click on it, it will be open a document list. So what I'm going to be covering DevOps, what I'm going to be covering AWS, so you can able to revise. Okay, so totally around 20 pages of DevOps content, 10 pages of AWS content, you can able to get it. I will be share this information in the chat box. Please be double click and you can able to open. It is not a copy paste and you can able to double click, but it won't be copy paste. Okay, please double click and you can able to open my course content, then you can able to revise my things. Yeah, see, please. Yeah, that's what exactly my end. So before taking your questions and discussion, so my name is Maha. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maha. I have totally 15 years of IT experience. My career starts as a Java developer. Then I turned as a DevOps engineer. So from last 5 years onwards, I'm working as a senior DevOps engineer, AWS, and including Azure also. That isn't exactly my profile. So any questions? Actually, tomorrow we'll see. So what exactly DevOps, what exactly AWS? So we will be discussing by tomorrow's session. Okay. But this is what exactly timings and fees and structure and what is the course overview. We are and these are all things. Yeah. Any questions? If anybody want to talk to me also, please be let me know. And I can unmute, you can talk to me also. Yeah. So Rajesh asked this question, which certification can we after this course? AWS Solution Architect. AWS Solution Architect, we are not covering Azure. So completely, we are gonna be AWS DevOps. DevOps with AWS. Okay, not Azure. Azure is separate by separate time. Okay. So AWS Solution Architect certification you can able to do after this, Rajesh. But Azure, yeah, I'm gonna be teaching Azure also, that Azure Administration 1044 and certification you can able to do. Yeah, EKS, yes, it will be covered, Sagar. Yes, EKS also will be covered. EKS is one of the things. Fine. It is a major models. I'm talking about these models, but complete picture you can able to see here. Fine. Yes, but EKS will be covered. So after this course completion, job is providing by you. No, it is a technical support only, but how to apply job, resume preparation, entry question answers. I will helping you, Sangareddy. Okay, Deepthi. But you have to go for attend your face-to-face, whatever maybe have to attend. You have to show your things. Which one is best, AWS or DevOps? There is no option. Rajesh asked this question. Please listen very carefully. Which will be start first, AWS and DevOps or DevOps. It is a completely depending. It is a combo package. So, sorry, Linux basic shell script, AWS DevOps will be combo. It will be covered. Okay, fine. Rajesh. Got it? Yeah, is there any other questions, please? Anybody want to talk to me? Is anybody want to talk to me? Just please let me know. Let's ping me in the chat box. I can unmute. You can talk to me. Praveen, Praveen, please, Praveen. Praveen, you want to talk to me, please?
Yeah, can you hear me, Maha?
Please, Praveen. Yeah.
Yeah, good morning.
Morning.
So regarding like practical sessions, like once your any theory part is completed, let's say example like EC2, you have completed theory part.
Mhm.
After that, you will be we will be doing hands-on with you, or we have to do it separately.
Separately, but actually, I'll explain one more time. So we have, for example, EC2, we have discussed a lot of things, like, so what is EMI, what is load balancer, what is store, what is Route 53 auto scaling, a lot of things which we are going to be discussing under EC2. Go for any example, any concept. So we have to first discussion. So let us why we are using load balancer. What are the types of load balancer? What is a classical load balancer? Application load balancer? Network load balancer. What is the difference between them? But what exactly specifically when we are using classical load balancer? What are the specifications? What are the why we are using classical load balancer? Understanding diagrammatically, then implement practically in front of on the same day, each and every concept that will be recorded. It will forward to you. With the help of recording, you can able to practice. Still, if you get any problem, and you can approach me next class, and you can clarify with the chat box on audio, and you can share your screen also. This is an approach. Praveen, got it?
Yeah, Maha. And one more query, like regarding the projects, can you
For
explain like?
example, let's say we covering 4 projects, like, these are all taken one model. This to one model, this to one model. Okay, totally around 4 models we are going to be dividing into the DevOps. Let's say we talk about Docker and Kubernetes or else Ansible. Okay, so Docker and Kubernetes we spending totally 4 weeks. Let's say resume. So completely out and off we discussing from starting to ending Docker and Kubernetes. By end, so where exactly real time, how exactly these tools fits. So we'll do one example in real time use case.
Okay, like
Likewise, each and every model like that.
meaning you will take one Spring Boot application and then
That depends. If Spring Boot, that's already ready-made. So we're not developers, we're not touching any coding. So we're
okay.
going to be taking a Java, an existing project, but so how exactly we will be implementing to automate with that application. That we have to do an example with use cases or tasks we can call a project software. Likewise, we'll implement.
Okay, Maha, thank you.
Fine, fine. Yeah, any questions in the chat box, or else you can talk to me also. You can chat with me, or else you can ask me the job question. Yeah, today only discussion, man, all of you. So tomorrow we will be we'll be start this way. So tomorrow we will be what is DevOps, what is AWS. So what is the flow we will be in implement, and what are the in DevOps where what is it exactly, what is the relation between these two? What exactly we will become concluded by tomorrow. Don't worry. And day after tomorrow, we'll move into the real time, like, not real time, it is like a practicals. So starting service and how we are getting into the cloud, how creating service, how we are going to be using cloud services will start from day after tomorrow. Yeah, just introductions and just today for clarifications, your things. Thank you. Any questions? Yes, Sagar asked this question, sir. Is this course sufficient for cracking interview? Yes, but what I'm delivering, you have to practice daily basis, whatever given assignments, and you have to follow my, entry question and answers. I will get you. Don't worry. Yeah, fine. Yeah. So Rajesh, do you need to take notes while watching videos? That is up to you, but I'm not recommend. But any rough notes, but point to point, like a definition kind of thing, like a school note, school by, like a college by, nothing, not required. So the flow recorded everything. Class notes also I'm writing, but still, if you want, you can write running note, but not a exact note. Okay, that's it up to you, but it will everything is no recorded. Up to you. Yeah. Enough, enough. But you have to maintain your notes better. No, not required. Tomorrow, no, day after tomorrow. Payments will be due by day after tomorrow, not for tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see. We have to understand how I'm teaching, how what exactly we are. Let us understand, then we can do the payment, not required tomorrow. Let us do day after tomorrow. Yeah, so Sagar is currently is an automation engineer and 2 years of experience. You want to switch to the DevOps, you have experience working with most of the DevOps tools, but not depth. Yeah. UB is, yeah, you can shift as the DevOps engineer. So with the same experience, you continue to as a DevOps engineer. You will become a DevOps engineer. Yes, after this course, yes, I fine. Still any questions? Yeah, anybody want to talk to me? You guys. So yeah, that's it my end for today. So we'll continue by tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll discuss about what is DevOps, what is AWS. Then day after tomorrow onwards, we'll start our practical sessions. Thank you. Placements, placement assistance is there, but not guaranteed. Our institute is only for providing technical things only, but no proxy or placements. Yeah, sometime please approach the admin that, yeah, our admin will help you. Please talk to the admin. I've given admin number, so please talk to this number. Okay, they will help. Saga. Freshers, yeah, even freshers, less openings, but experience is more. Praveen, you can expect if it is a beginner, 8 to 10 lakhs. If you are experienced, around 15 to 18 lakhs. But you really have a 3+ years of experience, really, then you can demand up to 22, 23, 26. Clear. Praveen. So, yep. Yeah, we'll continue by tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks, man. Thanks. Thanks, Phoenix.